Okay, so for today's lesson, we're talking about credit. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go to this website right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to find the definition for these 6 vocabulary words. And then in your own words, you're going to write a definition. So if I click here on this link, it'll take you over here. And then I'm going to learn about annual fees, which is a once-a-year cost of owning a credit card. Some credit cards providers provide cards with no annual fees. Okay, then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put it in my own words, and that might look something like the annual fee is the one-time payment you make to use a credit card. Okay, I'm going to go and find the APR, the annual percentage rate. Right here, the yearly interest rate charged on outstanding balance. And I could go over here and say this is the interest rates that credit cards charge me for using their money. Okay, you get it. But using your own words, tell me what annual rate, annual fee, annual percentage rate, credit line, cashback, balance, minimum payment. All right. And then I go on to tell you the difference between a debit card and a credit card. And then I want you to use these links right here to write a paragraph comparing and contrasting the differences and similarities between credit cards and debit cards. And that is all you need to do today.